Hi everybody, this is Mr. T and Mr. Dore. So the class at PEG is going to start next week. It's going to be very important. We got 3 levels. We got starter or beginner for 2 months, and then level 2 is for intermediate for 2 months. And then this is very special, unique for those who are looking for international job opportunities in America. Exclusive job, and the class will start on January 9th next week. That means next week there's going to be a preparative class specifically, particularly for those who speak English already, advanced level speakers. If you guys want to work in America, in the United States of America, this is for you. So come over here at PEG Madagascar here in Bulkandina. Next week we're going to kick off, we're going to start. Thank you.
Ya tung klasi tung kovavi tunga ni ftona anbola ni cours d'anglais atia mi power English course ambulkandna. Mr. T, Mr. Dore is ni training coordinator zang president ni power English course. Kazoa misni anu kam lasneni 9 janvier ni cours misni cours débutant, misni intermédiaire. Mission cours spécial, cours préparatoire. Cascani entretien d'embauche ou en arrive c'est venir y a samedi bateau de croisière. Cours préparatoire m'a dit ni 1 semaine mais à ni entretien d'embauche. Et faut vous nous recruteur en pendant les entretiens d'embauche quand tout new man des autres ainsi. Tunga amaru atomi power English course en Bulkandina. Misota na rewa ni enu a chamfara.
Thank you so much, guys.